Civics, Chapter 1, Our Life in Society. Points to be discussed. 1.1. Why did man feel the need for society? 1.2. The social nature of man. 1.3. Our development. 1.4. What is society? So students, last year in your 5th class, you have learnt about the evolution of man. Do you remember? Yes. So what is the meaning of evolution? A process of gradual change that takes place over many generations. Another meaning, evolution is a process of gradual development in a particular situation or thing over a period of time. So, the evolution of man tells us that the present life which we are living in today's society has come to this progress through the process of evolution over thousands of years. At first, thousands and thousands of years ago, man started living in forest and then he settled to a social life. Now let us know through the first point, 1.1, why did man feel the need for the society? Let us know how man lived in a nomadic stage. Meaning of nomadic, roaming about from one place to another, aimlessly, frequently. When man lived a nomadic life, he wandered from one place to another. He was not organized. His life did not had any security. So, what is needed for the development of a society? A stable and secured community life. Meaning of stable, well organized, reliable, strong. Meaning of secured, safe. So, man realized that living in groups will give security. How? People will come together to develop an organized way of life. So, in this way, a society was formed. Now, let us know what were the benefits of living in a society. When man started living in groups, or let us say when man started living in a society, man felt the need for the rules. Why? Rules will help for the smooth working of day-to-day matters. This gave rise to, that means these rules gave rise to conventions. Meaning of conventions, agreement, traditions, ethics, values and laws. Meaning of ethics, moral principles. Therefore, man's life became more organized, stable and secured. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, 1.2, the social nature of man. Meaning of social nature, to get along with everyone. Let us know how man is social by nature. See, we like each other. We like to be in each other's company, companionship. We like people around us. Why? It makes us happy, yes or no? And it is our need also. Now, what are our basic needs? Yes, food, clothing, shelter. Right. Food, clothing and shelter are our basic needs. They are also known as our physical needs. Once we get physical needs, once we are fulfilled with our physical needs, we are stable, we feel secure. But this is not enough. Other than physical needs, we also have emotional and psychological needs as well. For example, to feel secure is an emotional need. How? We won't have any tensions or worries if we are secured. Yes or no? You are staying with your parents, so you don't have any tension or worries. They will look after you. Yes or no? If we are happy, we like to share it with everyone. Likewise, if we are sad, we feel lonely. We feel as if there is nobody to support us. We are alone in this whole world. Yes or no? Therefore, we like to be surrounded with families, relatives, friends, etc. So, these feelings shows that man is social by nature. So, students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us know what facilities are available while living in a society. As you know, food, clothing and shelter are the basic needs or physical needs of a man. There are many laborers and people with skills in society. They produce useful articles which is needed in our day-to-day life. Education is available in our society. Health centers are also there for us. There are numerous industries and occupations which fulfill our needs in life. For example, we need book to study, and for book, paper is needed. Therefore, occupations like manufacturing paper, printing it, binding the book, etc. are also developed. Many people are working on this process and they are earning. Therefore, there are many occupations available in our society to earn and to fulfill our needs. Doing jobs will lead us to be skillful. Meaning of skillful, very good at doing something. And we will come to know about our own capabilities. Meaning of capabilities, the power to do something. Thus, basic needs of ours are fulfilled in the society. Now, let us know how our life in the society is interdependent. We depend upon each other for our emotional needs such as security, appreciation, praise, supporting each other, etc. So, students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, 1.3, our development. In this paragraph, how we are developed mentally or you can say psychologically is mentioned here. Explanation: when a person is born, he has some inborn qualities and capabilities. At first, he is not able to speak. Why? He is a newborn baby. Gradually, slowly, he starts speaking his mother tongue. If there is any another language spoken in his neighborhood, he also learns that. At school, he learns 2 to 3 languages, or you can say the state language or the country's language. We also have the capacity of thinking. Let us take an example of our class. In a class, one essay topic is given to everyone. Why so? See, topic remains the same, but thinking process in each student is different. Yes or no? Now let us see how thinking is different in every person. Our society plays an important role in development of our emotional capabilities and the power to think. Society also helps us by providing various opportunities for expressing our thoughts and feelings. Students, have you ever thought how a person becomes famous? How a person becomes successful singer, musician, an actor, social worker, etc. Yes, no doubt they have a good financial stability and their family is there to support them. Yes, right. But even society also plays an important role in the development of our artistic and other talents that grow up in our society. Yes, therefore the continuous backing or the continuous back support and encouragement is very important and needed for them to grow. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, 1.4, what is a society? Explanation. Society is not a crowd of people. What is a society? Society is not a crowd of people. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain objectives. So I hope meaning of society is clear to you. Let us see what comes under a society, or how is a society classified, or how a society is formed. Society includes all people like men, women, grown-ups, old people, young children. For example, our families are also a part of society. Other than people, society includes different groups, institutions and organizations. In short, what is a society? The interrelationships and interactions between the people, their dependence on one another and sharing forms a society. Yes or no? So, for fulfilling the basic needs of a man, the society has to create a permanent system to carry out day-to-day activities. Let us know what is a permanent system, or why permanent system is needed, or how permanent system make a society stable. For the continuous existence of the society, permanent system is needed. Let us take an example of agriculture. Agriculture fulfills the need for food. Various institutions is needed related to production of food grains or related to agriculture. Yes, factories, manufacturing tools and equipments are also needed. They are required. Banks are also needed to give loans to the farmers. A market is also needed for the production of goods and selling of goods also. So, the above mentioned existence of system make a society stable. Thank you.